it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making Angie's jewelry from Danganronpa V3. To make Angie's necklace, I started with a seashell that I found at the beach ages ago, and it was kind of gray and flat looking, so I painted it with just a little bit of a sheer pink nail polish to give it a little bit more glitter, and also since Angie has the pink in her belt, I thought it would still go. And it already had a hole in the end of the shell, so I used a eye pin since it has a little bigger base, so it would be less likely to pull through the shell, and bent it a bit, and we're just going to thread it through that hole. Next, we're going to loop the wire around to create a loop on the top of it, being very careful not to break the shell. And we're just going to trim off this excess. The way Angie's necklace is drawn, it looks like there are some spaces in between the white beads, so I took some clear elastic cord and then threaded on some plastic pearl beads and some aqua colored glass beads, and we're just going to keep doing that until the necklace is as long as we want it to be. Once you get the necklace to the length you'd like, knot the end and trim off the excess. We're going to do the same thing to make her bracelet and a slightly larger one to go around the ankle. Then we're going to use a jump ring to attach the seashell to the necklace. Since in the artwork there's some sort of dangling bit from her ankle bracelet, I just added on a pearl charm using a jump ring just like we did for the shell. And with that, Angie's jewelry is done. For more cosplay crafting tutorials, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!